Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to install the rabbithole browser extension on MacOS using Google Chrome. Step 1. Locate the zip file you downloaded. It's usually in your Downloads folder. On MacOS, simply double-click the zip file to extract it. This will create a new folder with the same name. Warning important. Keep this folder in permanent location. Do not delete it after installation. Make sure it contains files like manifest. JSON. Step 2. Open Google Chrome and go to Chrome, Extensions, paste it into the address bar and press enter. Step 3. In the top right corner of the extensions page, toggle development on. Step 4. Click the Load Unpacked button at the top left. In the File dialog, navigate to and select the folder you extracted earlier. Chrome will load the extension and you'll see the rabbithole icon appear in the top right toolbar. Step 5. Check the Chrome toolbar to confirm the extension icon is visible. You can also return to Chrome Extensions to confirm that the rabbithole extension is listed and enabled. That's it. Rabbithole is installed on your Mac. If you need help or support, visit our website or join our